Welcome back to Master Quiz. Let's guess how many human bodies part did you know? Guess the human body. Head, knee, toe. It head. Guess the human body. Back, forehead, heel. Beat forehead. Guess the human body. Ear, eye, hand. The correct answer is B eyes. Guess the human body. Ear, ankle, elbow. Ears. Guess the human body. Buttocks, nose, palm. Nose. Guess the human body. Leg, neck, jaw. Jaw. Guess the human body. Foot, neck, finger. Neck. Guess the human body. Shoulder, thigh, arm. Shoulder. Guess the human body. Arm, hip, toe. Arm up. Guess the human body. Nail, elbow, heel. Navel. Guess the human body. Abdomen, thumb, forearm. Forearm. Guess the human body. Wrist, navel, finger. Wrist. Guess the human body. Chest, hand, toe. Hand. Guess the human body. Palm, toe, forehead. Palm. Guess the human body. Heel, fingers, nose. Fingers. Guess the human body. Leg, foot, thumb. Thumb. Guess the human body. Toe, chest, arm. Chest. Guess the human body. Back, eye, buttocks. Back. Guess the human body. Jaw, heel, spine. Spine. Guess the human body. Abdomen, ankle, palm. Abdomen. Guess the human body. Wrist, navel, elbow. Navel. Guess the human body, hip, finger, shoulder. Hip. Guess the human body, thigh, head, toe. Thigh. Guess the human body, leg, thumb, jaw. Leg.